Hola peeps.
Hola mi amigos, is it okay if I just chill upon here?
BMW Bel Air thingy. Still don't have an official name for it. Yeah, still debating that. Anyways, finish cutting. Not really finish cutting, but get all the rough cuts done. Firewall, floors, trunk pan, wheel wells, just to get this thing fitted on the BMW, to see exactly what else I need to cut, where I need to cut, what I need to box, etc, etc. You'll kind of see like how bad the Bel Air actually is. It's very rusty, it's very crusty. It needs to be rebuilt in some places to strengthen the body itself back up. Obviously, once it gets welded to the BMW, it's going to be a different story, because then it'll kind of get itself braced back together. That's going to be one thing that happens before I actually end up boxing and welding everything together. Because if I weld them together right now, I don't know how long it'll hold. They will probably fall apart at any vibration, just because they're so brittle and fragile. You can just pull on it and it'll break. Yeah, I'm gonna have to rebuild those before I put this body back on the BMW, so it's got to come off, you know, one last time, probably, maybe a couple more times. Build up the rockers on the BMW side of thing, brace those up, and then I can mate them together. Anyways, I'm gonna get to it. Reaction, you motherfucker.
It's like you have to start the fire. You're shifting That's enough.
darling, my love will be true, always and forever. I'll love just you. Just promise me, darling, your love in return. Make this fire in my soul, dear, forever burn. My heart's at your command, dear, to keep love and to hold. Making you happy is my desire, dear.